Let's solve this together. It says x raised to the power x is equal to 112. We are required to solve for the value of values of x in this question. Okay. First things first, we can say let's write down the multiples of 8. So we have that 8 here can be written to be equal to 2 times 2 times 2. And 2 times 2 times 2 is 2 raised to the power 3. Moving on, we can also say that 112 can be said to be equal to, okay, so from here we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 7, okay, so this is 112. Now what you have here is now 2 raised to the power 4 times 7, alright. Let's now replace 8 and 112 with these multiples in this question. So we're going to have 2 raised to the power 3 now, raised to the power x, to be equal to 112 is now 2 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 7, alright. Now 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power x can be in the form of a raised to the power m raised to the power of n, and a raised to the power m raised to the power n is something as a raised to the power m multiplied by n, alright. So doing that thing here, we now have 2 raised to the power 3x, alright, to be equal to 2 raised to the power 4 times 2 raised to the power 7, alright. Now from here we can say let's take the logarithm of both sides, okay. So take the logarithm of 2 raised to the power 3x, and it becomes equal to the logarithm of open brackets 2 raised to the power 4, or no, this is not 2 raised to the power 7, this is multiplied by 7, sorry. So multiplied by 7, alright. So moving on from here, we can now say, looking at this, let's decide to take the logarithm in the base of the number carrying x. So this number is the number carrying x. Let's take the logarithm in this base. So we write here base 2 and base 2. Okay. Now, when you have something like logarithm of a raised to the power b in base n is equal to b multiplied by logarithm in base n of a. Okay. So applying the same law here, we're going to have 3x multiplied by logarithm of 2 to base 2 to be equal to logarithm of, when you have multiplication in logarithm, it means plus. So we have logarithm in base 2 of 2 raised to the power 4 plus logarithm of 7 to base 2. Okay. Now moving on from here, we can now say that logarithm of 2 to base 2 is 1. In fact, logarithm of n to base n is 1. Okay. So applying that law here, we are not going to have that this is 3x to be equal to the same thing we did here, we're going to do here. So multiply 4 by logarithm of 2 to base 2 is 1. So 4 times 1 is 4. Plus, we'll bring down logarithm of 7 to base 2. Now dividing both sides by 3, we are going to have 4 divided by 3 plus 1 over 3 into logarithm of 7 to base 2. And this becomes, the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.